Now we are going to solve some typical problem. One of them is here, that is prove that any payment of rupees 4 or more can be made by using rupees 2 and rupees 5 coins only. That is, we have to solve the problem that we have to make payment only using 2 rupees coin and only using 5 rupees coin. So let PN is, that is statement is, any payment of rupees 4 or more can be made by using rupees 2 and rupees 5 coins only. So, if we see that we have to take n is equal to 4, that is P of 4. Rupees 4 can be paid by using 2 coins of rupees 2. Therefore, P of 4 is 2. If we remind variant 1, that is P of K naught is 2. Here K naught is 4. Now, let the result is true for n is equal to K. That is, K rupees payment is either done by only 2 rupees coin or using only 5 rupees coin. So PK is true for the payment K greater than equal to 4. So the next one, as PK is true, we have to prove the result for n is equal to K plus 1. So let n is equal to K plus 1. So as PK implies the result of PK plus 1, so we consider two cases. The case 1. Case 1 involves if the payment, that is using step of PK, if the payment of rupees K does not involve rupees 5 coins, then by paying 3 coins of rupees 2 and taking back 1 coin of rupees 5, that is K rupees plus 6 minus 5, that is K plus 1 rupees are paid in this case when there is no involvement of rupees 5 coin in the payment. And in case 2, if the payment of rupees K contains rupees 5 coins, then taking back of two coins of rupees 2 and paying one coin of rupees 5, that is k rupees, that involve the coin of 5 plus 5 minus 4, it gives k plus 1 rupees are paid. That is pk implies pk plus 1 is due, as pk involves rupees 5 coins or rupee 2 coins. It's further decided how can we pay k plus 1 rupees by involving rupees 5 coins or rupees 2 coin by depending upon pk. So pk implies pk plus 1, that is due. Therefore, by principle of mathematical induction, that is invariant 1 used, we can say that Pn is due for n belong to n such that n is greater than equal to k naught, that is n is greater than equal to 4. So the result is 2. This is a typical problem because we can't solve it mathematically. So it is just thinking problem. So by thinking you can solve it very easily. Now another typical problem that involves statement, that is there are 2n persons in a hall. Some persons handshake with others. That means all the persons are not involved in handshaking. So there are some persons which are not handshake with another one. There do not exist any three persons who have handshakes with each other. That is, if there are three persons standing, that is A, B, C, then it is not possible A handshake with A handshake with B, and A handshake with C, and B and C also handshake. That does not involve. It does not involve handshaking of three persons to each other. It will be happen only that A handshake with B or B handshake with C. So C should not handshake with A, because if it is done, then there do not exist any three person who have handshake with will be contradict. So this is not possible. So prove that number of handshakes is at most n square. Now the solution is let P of n, that is there are 2n persons in a hall. Some persons handshake with others. There do not exist any three persons who handshake with each other. Prove that the number of handshakes is at most n square. So we are going to solve it, that is 4, n is equal to 1. There are 2 into 1, 2 persons. Therefore, there is at most 1 square, that is equal to 1 handshake. Therefore, P of 1 is 2. If there are 2 persons, then there is at the most 1 handshake is possible. So P1 is now, suppose Pk is true. That is, for 2k persons, there is at most k square handshakes are possible. Now we have to check result for n is equal to k plus 1. Now for n is equal to k plus 1, that is, there are 2n, that is 2 into k plus 2, that is 2k plus 2 persons are there. And if we say let A and B, 2 persons who have a handshake, then there are 2k persons remaining in the hall. But as Pk is true, these 2 persons, 2k persons, had at the most k square handshake. Now there is a possibility is there to get total handshake, that is, what about handshake of 2k person with A and B? Also, each of these 2k persons